Welcome to this video about setting up questions, sections, and subsections in Brilliant Assessments. This video will show you how to add a question and select an answer format, explore the question options and settings, and create answer-based report text. When you click Add an Assessment, you'll arrive at this page. Your first section and subsection are created by default. Brilliant Assessments are structured around a hierarchy of sections, subsections, questions, and answers. One section equals one page in the assessment. To add a question, click Add Question under the subsection. Here, you can type your question and then select an answer format. Each answer format has some preset default answers, but you can also create your own. After that, update the max score and click Save. At any time, you can go back and edit this question. If you explore the different tabs and options, you can, for example, set the question as required. When specifying a customer message, this will override the system default message. Otherwise, the default message will appear. It's also possible to hide questions. You can also link it to a segmentation or classifier. The question report name field is displayed on graphs. It can be different from the question text the respondent sees. This is helpful for long questions that don't work well on an axis. Under Instructions, you can add any instructions you want, which will be displayed above the question. You can choose different fonts and sizes or add instructions as an image or video. The graphics will only appear if they are the graphic type of assessment body. Click Save and turn on the Show Instructions toggle. Your instructions will now appear above the question. Under Conditions, you can specify that you only want to show this question if the user answered in a specific way in the last question or a previous question anywhere in the assessment. You can combine up to 5 ands and an unlimited number of ors by clicking Add New. The last tab isn't often used, but it is used if you want to generate a score and rating text based on a combination of multiple choice answers. More often, you would set report text at the answer level. If you want to add another question, click Add and choose whether to add the question below or above the last one. This is also how you add new sections and subsections. Let's recap. Brilliant Assessments are organized hierarchically through sections, subsections, questions, and answers. To customize your assessment, you can configure answer formats, add instructions, set conditions to show questions based on responses, define report text, and more. Expanding your assessment by adding more sections, subsections, or questions as needed is also simple. For more information, please refer to our help articles.